Welcome back to the Vitamin Doctor. Today, I'll show you how to naturally fix bad breath permanently. Let's get started. Maintain good oral hygiene. Brush your teeth twice a day, including your tongue, and floss daily to remove bacteria and food particles. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep your mouth moist and wash away food particles and bacteria. Use natural mouthwash. Rinse your mouth with a natural mouthwash. Mix 1 cup of warm water with 1 teaspoon of baking soda or apple cider vinegar. Eat a balanced diet. Eat fresh fruits and vegetables, and avoid foods like garlic and onions that cause bad breath. Chew fresh herbs. Chew fresh parsley, mint, or cilantro leaves after meals to freshen your breath naturally. Avoid tobacco products. Quit smoking and avoid tobacco products to improve your breath and overall oral health. Regular dental checkups. Visit your dentist at least twice a year for cleanings and checkups to catch and treat any issues. Use essential oils. Use essential oils like peppermint or tea tree oil. Add a drop to your toothpaste or mouthwash for a freshening effect. That's it. Follow these natural tips to fix bad breath permanently. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Vitamin Doctor for more health tips. Stay fresh. How to cure dark elbows and knees while taking a bath. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Vitamin Doctor. Today, I'll show you how to naturally cure dark elbows and knees while taking a bath. Let's get started. Warm water soak. Fill your bath with warm water. Soak for 10-15 minutes to soften the dark areas and make them more receptive to treatment. Baking soda scrub. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with water to form a thick paste. Apply the paste to your elbows and knees and gently scrub in circular motions for 2-3 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Lemon and honey massage. Mix the juice of half a lemon with 1 tablespoon of honey. Massage the mixture into your elbows and knees while in the bath. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Oatmeal and yogurt paste. Mix 2 tablespoons of ground oatmeal with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Apply the paste to your elbows and knees and gently scrub for 2-3 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Milk bath soak. Add 1-2 cups of milk to your bath water. Soak for another 10-15 minutes to hydrate and lighten your skin. Moisturize after bath. After your bath, pat your skin dry. Apply coconut oil, almond oil, or shea butter to your elbows and knees. Massage it in thoroughly to keep your skin soft and moistured. That's it. Follow these steps to naturally cure dark elbows and knees while taking a bath. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Vitamin Doctor for more health and beauty tips.